This is the One Dalton project, which is the largest residential project in Boston's history and the third highest building in the city of Boston. Hotel from 18 to 24, and then from 26 to 64 are resident condominiums.
The No-Code Pro machine is, it's a lot faster versus the hopper. You could go to the machine, punch in whatever numbers you have, it will spit it out, mudded, and you just put it on the wall, so a lot more productive.
Well, when I use a no-coat, I mix up all the mud that I need. I have all my boxes right there, type in all my measurements. It runs through itself, I just put it on and I don't have to keep going getting pieces of metal, cutting them, knocking them on with the mallet. It's just overall easier. You just run a continuous soffit, no cuts, no pieces connected together. Just one continuous piece, roll it and wipe it, and it looks great.
Drying time's key, especially with the jobs nowadays. They're constantly just pushing you. It's a lot more productive, you get a lot more footage throughout the day. And we put it on one of, a smaller mini baker, and it can easily go in and out of the rooms. It's easy storage. It's not heavy. You can put it in one of the gang boxes at the end of the night, no problem.
It is very easy to train. I actually trained 2 guys. Well, it took me about 7 hours to train them. Yeah. Just showing them how the whole system works in case I'm not here. It's very, very easy to train them. On the menu, you could set it to Spanish, so I was able to actually teach some of the Spanish guys here because there was a language barrier. I just set it to Spanish and they could just go from there. Just overall better, faster, easier. I could get a lot more done in a day with the No-Code Pro.
It's a good product and I stand behind it, or I wouldn't be using it. It's a stronger, squarer corner. That's a no-brainer.